Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for Friday 3rd July 2026. Today I said our lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 4, number 7, number 16, number 28, number 38. Number 44. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 4, number 7, number 16, number 38, number 44. Today lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 15, number 31, number 36, number 39, number 47, number 49. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat. Number 15, number 31, number 36, number 47, number 49. Today lunchtime bonus ball numbers. Number 8, number 10, number 42, number 46. Now lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 8, number 10, number 42, number 46. Now tea time prediction for Friday 3rd July 2026. Now tea time single prediction numbers. Number 8, number 10, number 16, number 17, number 32, number 38. Today time single prediction number repeat. Number 4, number 10, number 16, number 17, number 32, number 38. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 11, number 23, number 31, number 39, number 45, number 49. Today time second prediction number repeat. Number 11, number 23, number 31, number 39, number 45, number 49. Now tea time bonus ball numbers. Number 16, number 32, number 38, number 43. Now tea time bonus ball number repeat. Number 16, number 32, number 38, number 43. So complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. Then like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.